we're checking out Diesel Technology with Greg, the program director. A lot going on in this state-of-the-art building, Greg. So first of all, just tell us a little bit about the program.
The program itself is a little bit unique. It actually 2 years long. You get an associate's degree when you're done. That is our only option. We don't offer a diploma. We want our students to actually have that degree. The program itself consists of first year where it's kind of all introductory courses, second year is where we kind of get into more of that mastery level, trying to create an entry-level technician that can go into the field and go directly to work. One unique thing about us is we don't teach directly to a specific type or brand. So we teach agricultural equipment, we teach construction equipment, and we teach trucks.
And I understand it's a little bit maybe like an older vehicle or in the state of the art, something very new.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we'll do everything from splitting old tractors just for the experience and all the way up to brand new pieces of equipment. This building itself, as you guys can see, a lot of the equipment we have is state of the art. We have a state of the art engine dyno or chassis dyno that we just talked about. We have more than enough tools, and we have industry partners that have really allowed us to actually get that stuff. And they really support the program a lot.
So when students enter this program, do their 2 years, then when they leave, kind of what's the outlook for them?
As long as I've been here, for the last 5 years, we have had 100% job placement. And it's kind of looking like that trend will continue. So.
And how about salary-wise?
Salary rise, you know, our guys are starting out usually anywhere from about that $27 to $30 an hour range, depending on location. They can make more than that if they're willing to travel or go to the mines or something like that. But the program is really for anybody who wants to get in and learn. I mean, if you want to show up and you don't know any knowledge at all, we start at the very basic levels and we make you a technician by the time you're done. We are a Build Dakota program. Build Dakota is a great tool for our students, especially in either the diesel industry or even automotive. Our students need tools, and Build Dakota gives them those tools, and it gives them not just the tools for the job, but the tools to succeed as they go forward in that career.
And I understand it's a very happening campus life too for these students in this program.
Yeah, it is. You know, our student has a diesel tech club that we call it, and they can kind of organize their own little fundraisers. It's a way for our students to kind of participate with each other outside of the classroom.
So with the different type of scholarships, I also hear that Metallica has something for the students.
Yeah, with the Metallica funds, we've been able to actually buy a number of toolboxes for our students, and these toolboxes are useful for the students who maybe aren't available to get those tools or purchase them, don't have the funds to do so, and then they can actually rent those for a very small fee from the school.
So breaking down barriers.
Yeah, breaking down barriers. It allows our students who maybe don't have access to those funds to purchase $10,000 worth of tools. We have the tools available for them to use here.
All right, well, thank you.